Hello guys, today I wanna show you how to create a flowchart in Miro board. So first log into your Miro board account, click on the plus button blank board here to create a new board, or you can choose one of your previously created boards. We're gonna choose this one and click on sidekicks here, click on it and just type in click on diagram and just choose type in here create flowchart, hit enter. This will create you a flowchart diagram in your Miro board, and here it is, your our flowchart is being created here. You can customize this as whatever you want. The elements, you can also edit these elements, but the AI is still generating this flowchart. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and just leave a comment.